Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love my salads and having a little every day is a very healthy eating habit. It helps our body function better. Something that's often served with is a vinaigrette or dressing. Hey, there's nothing wrong with buying them at a store, but it's much healthier to make them from scratch. Here's another homemade recipe for you. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Italian vinaigrette. With a great blend of ingredients, this vinaigrette tastes wonderful. It takes 5 minutes to make and you'll be pleasantly surprised with its flavor. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium bowl, we'll add Grana Padano cheese, Dijon mustard, and red wine vinegar. Then we'll slowly whisk to mix and emulsify the olive oil. It's important to don't go too fast, otherwise it won't combine properly. Then we'll continue whisking while we slowly add the honey. Next, we'll season with dried oregano, ground sea salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk once again, and if we're not using the vinaigrette right away, we'll store it in the fridge. And my friends, this is our Italian vinaigrette. Quick and easy to make, this tasty homemade vinaigrette is sure to enhance your green or pasta salad. The beauty of this dressing is you can make it ahead of time. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!